because your statement was lauded on social media. And I quote, you said, sometimes you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang taong bayan sa batas. Ipaliwanag nyo yan because you were reminded by a colleague, we are lawmakers here, right? But netizens lauded you for this statement. What did you mean?
I did not say we have to break the law, Ms. Karen. Literal, I mean...
you said you have to bend the law.
Bend the law. Ibig sabihin, it's as simple as it is. In every rule, there's an exception, Ms. Karen, diba? That's bending the law. And then bending the law, I was addressing that to law enforcement authorities, to even officials of the court of law. I'm not addressing it to the public, to every individual. Now we have to bend the law, violate the law. When you said bend the law, kasi Ms. Karen, even if you look at Google, the definition of bending the law is to execute the law with leniency. That's what I was talking about. Hindi yung bawat tao. Sometimes you have to bend the law.